Have you ever thought about what might happen if you combine Coca-Cola and vinegar? At first, it sounds like just an unusual kitchen experiment. But once you add a third ingredient that everyone has at home, the result becomes far more interesting than you might expect. What seems simple and ordinary is actually hiding a clever purpose. To begin, pour about 250 milliliters of Coca-Cola into a clean bowl. Its rich caramel color and sweet aroma are well known, but here it plays a completely different role. Next, measure out 100 milliliters of vinegar and add it to the Coke. The sharp and sour notes of the vinegar immediately transform the mixture into something unexpected. Finally, take 1 small spoonful of salt and stir until everything blends together. The mixture now looks ordinary, yet its power is already forming. At this stage, you may wonder, what is this actually for? That's the beauty of it. Everyday ingredients that seem unrelated begin to create a solution with a hidden strength. Once combined, they work together in a way that is both natural and surprisingly effective. Now, carefully pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Friends, let me know in the comments where you are watching from. I always enjoy reading your messages from different countries. Thank you. After that, close the bottle and shake gently to make sure everything is well mixed. When you use this spray in your bathroom, kitchen, or on other hard surfaces, you're putting the power of acidity and minerals to work. Instead of relying on expensive chemical products, you now have a homemade solution that can help refresh, disinfect, and restore surfaces. The vinegar cuts through buildup, the Coke adds strength with its acids, and the salt supports the mixture by boosting its cleaning properties. The most impressive part is how accessible it is. With just 3 ingredients that almost everyone has at home, you can prepare a versatile cleaner in just a few minutes. It is simple, safe, affordable, and effective. If this trick surprised you, share it with your friends and family so they can try it as well. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural DIY home solutions. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.